Yo, what's up? We're out here doing some bass fishing today. We're gonna hop back into the kayaks and you know, I don't know. We're gonna try and get on some studs. I don't know if a lot of these fish are gonna be on beds yet. It's really early. Usually we don't find fish on beds till about June, and it's about the end of May. So actually we're probably close to there. So yeah, they're about making that transition right now. But yeah, we're gonna yak around a little bit and see if we can get on some fish. And this is a pretty good pond, pretty promising. So hopefully we're gonna get quality over quantity today, but I don't know. So I got my cousin out here. He's probably gonna outfish me, or maybe not, I don't know. He thinks he's gonna outfish me, but we'll see. And yeah, from there we gotta get loaded up and get in the water, so let's do it. You ready?
Oh yeah.
You ready, booby? See, I push you. What if I just pushed you in the water?
Dude,
that'd be terrible. All right, let's get to it.
Go. It fell out.
Fling it into the water.
Get in the water. That was funny. Oh my, dude! The one time I almost freaking dipped into the water, did you? Oh my! Did it come off?
Is he in there?
Yeah.
Hey, perfect. It's funny because I was just rolling B-roll, and you got one. That's dope. Let's see her.
First fish of the day, boys.
There you go, boy. Get her. That ain't a bad fish.
Ow, dude, his teeth are so sharp.
You know, if I ever get out.
Oh my god, dude.
But it's about a 3-pounder right there, eh? All right. I literally haven't even got rigged up yet. My cousin's over here laying them out. I'm over here filming B-roll and stuff, and we'll get there though. We'll get there.
You want to come over here?
All right. Well, we got some good shots of my cousin catching some fish, but I think it's about time I get started over here. Oh wow, that water's warm, man. It's crazy how it wasn't warming up at all.
You're right. It's so much warmer than it was when I caught fish. When I went
In the matter of a couple of days.
Yeah, dude, it's so much warmer, dude. Like so much.
Here, you want me to grab the camera? Man, this kid's cranking them all. I can't get one.
You see where it pulled me though? Like I didn't mean to come over here.
Why are you slaying them? You get hooked up again? This guy's just laying them out over here.
I got a buddy that came over here. He just fished right from here.
Fine. This is a bluegill. No, it's a bass. Oh, it's about time, kids. Nope, don't go under there. Oh, it feels good to break the skunk. Oh, there's that one that we were looking at earlier. Boom. Oh, guys, that feels good. Holy cow. Little guy, he's beat up. They are spawning. He is beat up. Whew. Okay, baby, that sums it up. Not a crazy good day. I only got one fish. My cousin, he's laying them out there. He's at like 6. He's still out there. He outfished me today. You know, it's funny. I get out of the car and he's like, I'm gonna outfish you, man, because usually I outfish him. But no, he put a hurting on me today. So yeah, I don't know. If you guys are new here and you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below. Fly over to Instagram, follow me if you guys want to DM me there, ask me questions. I tend to respond. You know, that's going to catch up to me saying that, so take it up while you can. But yeah, if you guys like the kayak fishing videos, let me know. I know a lot of you guys were asking about them, so I tried to put a couple, you know, out there. I tried to do it as much as I can, but you know, I don't have the nicest kayak, man. My butt hurts, man. Like, holy cow. So whatever, but I also got to get this thing registered, so I can't really hit public lakes yet. But on top of that, I'm in the process of getting a boat right now, so things might change drastically. I used to have a boat, you know, up until like last year. I sold it to upgrade, and it's just killing me not having a boat. So I'm really in the process of trying to find the right one right now, so we can start doing some like sweet videos with the muskie and bass fishing and stuff like that on big lakes. But if you guys enjoy the pond popping videos or the pond kayaking videos, let me know below. I'll do them. You know, I'm probably always gonna do them regardless you guys like them or not. But yeah, I don't know if you, that's about it for today, guys. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I guess from here, until next time, we will catch you guys later.